Key terms that you need to know about Azure Cloud Security. 1. Azure Front Door. Azure Front Door is a fully managed, modern cloud content delivery network service that delivers high performance, scalability, and secure user experiences for your content and applications. 2. Private Endpoint. Private Endpoint is used for establishing connection between virtual machines and Azure Service Endpoint. The connection is established through Azure Backbone Connection. 3. Landing Zone. Landing Zone is an accelerator that provides cloud adoption to run the workload. 4. Desktop Virtualization. Fully managed Azure Desktop Virtualization, which is synonym of RDP. 5. Virtual Network Integration. It is used to connect app service to virtual machine. 6. Microsoft Endpoint Manager. It is a cloud-based solution to address the challenges associated with deploying, managing, securing devices in the enterprise. 7. Microsoft 365. It is a combination of Office 365, intelligent cloud services, and security. 8. Azure Functions. Azure Functions is a serverless coding solution where code runs as functions. Requires less code to be written and less infrastructure maintenance. 9. Entity Tags. Entity tags are metadata elements that is applied to Azure resources. There are 3 types of defenders for identity entity tags: sensitive tags, honey token tags, and exchange server tags. You can apply tags to your Azure resources, resource groups, and subscriptions. 10. Azure Security Center. Azure Security Center is a centralized management of security policies and devices. Now called as Microsoft Defender for Cloud. 11. Sentinel. Sentinel is SIEM and SOAR tool that provides real-time monitoring and analytics of security events.